In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted or voided transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is a handy skill for troubleshooting reconciliation issues, investigating changes, or simply keeping your books clean and compliant. QuickBooks records every action behind the scenes, and the audit log is where you can see exactly what happened, when it happened, and who made the change. Before we start, note that you'll need the right permissions to view the audit log. If you don't see the option later on, your company admin may need to adjust your user access. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the upper right corner for the small gear icon, which is the settings menu. This menu is where you'll find most company-level tools. If your window is zoomed in or you're on a smaller screen and don't see it, try widening the browser or reducing your zoom slightly so the icon appears. From the settings menu, select Audit Log. This takes you to the central place where QuickBooks tracks user sign-ins, added and edited transactions, and importantly for this video, items that were voided or deleted. It's a read-only history, so you can review activity without changing your books. On the Audit Log page, locate the area that refers to events. You'll see an option labeled All Events. Click that to open the event filter. This filter lets you narrow the list to exactly what you need, which is critical when your company has a lot of activity. Choose Deleted Voided Transactions from that list. QuickBooks will refresh the log to show only those actions. This is where the distinction matters. A deleted transaction is removed from your books, while a voided transaction remains in place with its amount set to 0, preserving the reference for audit purposes. Seeing only these events helps you quickly pinpoint why a balance changed or why a transaction you expected to see is missing. After the filter is applied, review the results. You'll typically see the date and time, the user who performed the action, the transaction type, and a description of the event. Use this information to identify the affected entries and understand the impact on your accounts. If your list is long, adjust the date range or sort by date to focus on the period you care about. That's it. Open QuickBooks. Online, go to the Settings gear, select Audit Log, open the All Events filter, and choose Deleted Voided Transactions. Follow this flow anytime you need to verify changes and keep your records accurate. Thanks for watching, and keep your books audit ready with confidence.